Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, this is Riley, and I'm Sometimes Now. I'm rocking the Slowby shirt today while I work, and we're going to install the MuddsCustoms.com 6-inch drop step that will mount here with the tie-down anchor point, and then on the other side we'll put it on the other side for a tie-down anchor point as well if you want to haul your tractor somewhere. So let's get to it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to just remove the loader. We don't have to unhook it. We just need to get it off. We just need to get it off this post so we can take these 3 bolts out and mount the first step. So stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out the first 2 bottom bolts, then we'll install the step, just so I don't have to hold this. And you're going to need a 24mm socket. Alright, so we'll put some Loctite 242 thread lock on the threads. And we'll just put this on the bottom one right now, just so this doesn't fall off. And we'll take the top one off. That'll hold that. And we'll spin this up like that. Put that one in. And we'll do the third one. There. Now we'll just we got to torque these at 223 foot-pounds, and we'll go over and do the other side. All right, so we'll got this set to 223 foot-pounds, and we'll torque these. Just make sure that this is level. I'm going to torque I'll torque the middle one first, and then I'll just do each side. 223 on that one. $223. $223. Check the middle one again. There, they're all set. 223. All right, so now we'll install the other side. We're good here. All right, same thing on this side. We'll take the two bottom ones out, and then we'll take the third one out after. 24mm socket. Put some Loctite, 242. And we'll put this like that. And I just hand snug that. And that'll hold this from having to pick, because this is heavy. So we'll just we'll put the first one in, then we'll spin this up. Take this last one out. All right, 223 foot-pounds. All right, so got these torqued to 223 foot-pounds. Got another anchor point, so if anyone would want to you know, tie their tractor down to a trailer or something, it gives them someplace to strap to. All right, so we got this all mounted. Go to MuddsCustoms.com. They have a 5, 6, and an 8-inch drop, but I'll supply the link below in the description if you're looking for a set of these steps. This makes it a lot easier. You don't have to go way up like this to climb on. I can just right up on now. Now we'll just put the loader back on and we'll be set. Alright, so we got this all installed. MuddsCustoms.com. Got all kinds of aftermarket stuff for the John Deere 1025R. And thanks for watching. I hit 200 subscribers today. It is June 5th, 2021. And I appreciate all you guys for participating in my channel. and like, subscribe, and we're on our way. You know, my goal is to go to 1,000. 200's good. I was surprised I hit 200. So I got more videos coming up, more projects. I got a couple more projects that I'm working on. So thanks again, and continue to watch, and I'll continue to put the content out. Thank you.